Did you know that adding a nominee to your bank account does not actually give them your money? Most people think it does. They fill in a name, feel responsible, and move on. But here is what actually happens when you die. Your nominee walks into the bank. The bank hands them the money, yes, but only to hold it, not to keep it. The law calls them a custodian, not an owner. The real owner is decided by your will. If you have no will, succession law decides. And that process can take years. Accounts get frozen. Family members file claims. Lawyers get involved. People who are already grieving suddenly find themselves fighting in court over money that was supposed to be simple. This is the part that makes it so dangerous. The people who filled in a nominee feel like they handled everything. They are the least likely to write a will because they think they already did the responsible thing. The nominee field is not estate planning. It just looks like it.